Let's talk about some of the network options we have for HA. You absolutely should create subnets in different AZs and place systems in those different subnets. And just by doing that, you're going to achieve a multi-AZ presence as long as you position those systems properly. It's really best practice to create at least 2 pathways from your corporate network into your virtual private gateway, and we'll see how this looks in a little bit. Now remember that Direct Connect is not HA by default, so you're going to need to establish a secondary connection. It can be another Direct Connect or it can be a VPN connection. Now preferably you're doing it with a different data carrier so that you have some diversity and redundancy there in case your data carrier has a problem. Route 53's health checks can provide a nice way of hands-off failing over to another endpoint with regard to DNS resolution. And Route 53 is one of those rare services at AWS that has a 100% service level goal for name resolution. You should also use Elastic IPs because they allow you the flexibility of changing around the backend without having to repoint DNS entries. If you need multi-AZ redundancy for NAT gateways, then you're going to need to spin up a NAT gateway in each AZ, then configure the route for the private subnet to go out that respective AZ's NAT gateway. Here's an example of a redundant connection for VPN. And as you can see, we're handling the failover on the customer side. In this case, we can use Route 53 to do a health check and then redirect traffic if our primary web server fails.